Feels really good. We were out here really all summer doing a lot of workouts and conditioning stuff. But to have the whole team and the incoming freshmen, new teammates, it's a real good feeling to get everybody back and competing in football mode.
It feels great to be back here with all the guys. We've been here all summer, so it's guess not too different. But getting everyone together back in the dorms and stuff for camp, there's no better feeling than that. So I'm really excited.
My expectation is to grow, become a better player than I was last year, and not just for the entire season, but every practice get better, and bring my teammates, especially the offense, along with me. Motivation for them, I think the biggest thing is leading by example. You can't say one thing and do the other, but sometimes you don't have to say anything if you're doing things right. So show the guys how we do things at Grand Valley. It's probably different than what a lot of the guys did in high school, and just lead by example, come with energy, and be a good leader.